If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Poori. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of refined flour or maida, a tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, then about quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a bowl, take all these ingredients and mix them really well. And once they are well combined, add about 1/3 cup of water. But don't add all at once. Add half of it, mix it up really well, then again add the rest. Now knead to make a medium soft dough. Then when you are done, let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then take a small portion like this, shape it like a ball, then with the help of a rolling pin, roll it to make puri. But keep in mind it should not be too thin. Now it's ready for frying. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium. Then slide them one by one. And if you gently apply some pressure on top, just like this, it will easily puff up. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Poori. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.